Sodhi or coconut milk curry is a famous Sri Lankan cuisine followed by mushroom fried and eggplant fried. Give thanks to our beloved farmers who work so hard from dawn till the set of sun. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my simple cooking channel. Today I am going to make back to back 3 recipes, and the first is Sodhi or coconut milk curry. It's very famous in Sri Lanka. Served hot alongside with rice or string hoppers, idiyappam, or in Malayalam nulappam. Here I am using half a coconut milk. This is the thin coconut milk, the second and the third. The first coconut milk, the thick coconut milk, will be used lastly and should not overboil or else the milk might separate. And the rest of the ingredients for the seasoning, I am using 6 to 7 shallots sliced, 1 small tomato sliced, 1 Assam Gologo or Gracenia, also known as Kodapuli in Malayalam, 2 inches ginger smashed, 1 or 2 green chili sliced, 2 curry leaves, quarter to half a teaspoon turmeric powder. All the ingredients I have mentioned have to add to the coconut milk. First the turmeric powder, followed by curry leaf, then the rest of the ingredients. Now I am going to add little more turmeric powder. Followed by salt. Okay, now let it boil on the stove and keep stirring it. Do not let it overboil or else the milk will be separated. Okay, now it is enough boiling. Now you can add the first coconut milk to it. If you are not sure, you can use slow fire. Okay, this is enough. Now you can off the stove. Sodhi is ready to serve. The second, mushroom fried. I am using 200 grams of organic mushroom or chippy coon in Malayalam. Chippy means shell. It looks like seashell. You can use hand to pull it off into small pieces or cut it with knife. And for the seasoning, I am using 6 garlic together with the skin, ginger and curry leaf and pepper powder. This is the mushroom. I've already sliced it. This is the thick side and the thin side. Heat oil, add fennel seed 1 teaspoon and half a teaspoon of mustard seed. Let the mustard seed pop. Once it stops popping, add the ginger and the garlic to it. Saute it. Now you can add the curry leaves and the stem of the mushroom. Saute it first. Now you can add the soft side of the mushroom. Saute well. This is a very fast cooking recipe. Add salt. And now you can add the pepper to it. Okay, it's almost done, ready. You can off the stove now. Next we are going to fry the brinjal or eggplant. This is the eggplant. I'm using quarter kg of eggplant. Peel the skin off and cut it into pieces like this. Add salt, turmeric powder and chili powder to it and keep aside first. And for the seasoning, 2 green chilies sliced. I'm using a lot of garlic peeled but not cut, and 1 big onion sliced. 2 green chilies sliced into long. Salt to taste and curry leaves. Heat oil in a pan. Add green chilies first, followed by garlic. I am a garlic lover. Now you can add the onions to it. Salt well. Add salt. Be careful while adding salt because we have already marinated the eggplants with salt. Now add the eggplant and the curry leaves to it. Do not use water. Salt well. And you can cover it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile you can check it. Now it's almost ready. Okay, stir it. At this point you have to use slow fire for 3 minutes, but check in between it's cooked and off the stove. So dear friends, these are the 3 recipes I have done today: the sodi mushroom fried and the eggplant fried. Delicious to eat with rice. Please support the farmers' plight. No farmers, we will all die of hunger. Teach your children the value of farming from a very tender age. So till I see you all in my next video, stay safe, take care and have a nice day. Bye.